Welcome to your channel, Trip Earth. Today we will introduce you to Goč, a mountainous area in central Serbia, about 15 kilometers south of the spa town of Vrnjačka Banja. Its highest peak, Ljukten, has an elevation of 1,216 m above sea level. Goč is a popular hiking and mountaineering destination in the village. Goč is a small ski resort. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us, subscribe to the channel, and hit the like button. Wait for us in the next video. I leave you with these wonderful scenery.